Hey, it's Jim Beaver. We're here at Kawasaki Motors Manufacturing in the United States with a manufacturing facility right here in Lincoln, Nebraska, where they build not only side-by-sides, they also build the ATV line, as well as having a railcar division and an aerospace division. So we're gonna go behind the scenes on a tour here and see what Kawasaki's got up their sleeves.
My name is Jason Helbush, and I'm the Corporate Director of Administration for Kawasaki Motors Manufacturing Corp. USA. So our facility in Lincoln, Nebraska is Kawasaki's largest off-road manufacturing factory. We supply the majority of products that most people in the US would find themselves purchasing in dealerships that sell Kawasaki, as well as exporting globally to other countries. We purchased over $600 million worth of US product that we use to assemble our products here in Lincoln. That encompasses approximately 260 suppliers in the Nebraska area, as well as over 1,200 suppliers nationally in the US. We employ approximately 3,000 people at the Lincoln, Nebraska facility. So yeah, our economic impact in the local area, as well as within the US overall, is fairly substantial.
And that's a wrap here from Lincoln, Nebraska at the Kawasaki Motors Manufacturing plant here in the United States. Man, I'm blown away. I didn't realize that Kawasaki was involved in so many things, from aerospace to their railcar division, to see what they're cranking out there. And then to go behind the scenes with KRX and Mule and see how those go from start all the way to finished product and what we enjoy out in the deserts.